Hi, Salman here. I asked ChatGPT to write an implementation of XGBoost using only Python and Numpy and nothing else. And sure enough, it started writing the code. It was really nice, but it stopped at some point. I don't know what was the reason. But then I asked it, why did you stop? And it apologized, started writing again. And again, it stopped here at the end of the fit method. Uh, then I insisted again, and then this time it went all the way and finished the code. And the fun part was that I asked it whether you can explain the code step by step, and it did by making chunks of code and explaining what each chunk does. I mean, this is brilliant. Of course, it stopped here in the middle again. I asked it to continue explaining. It continued. You can see that it ended. And then I asked it, is that all? And said, yeah, this is the core steps, but of course, for real world application, we want to use XGBoost or LightGPM. All in all, quite impressive.